In this video I'm going to brew Saison's Greetings, which is now being renamed Four Saisons, and I'm going to add some spray malt, which should increase the ABV and slightly the body as well. Let's get started. I've already sanitised the product, no need to show that as every video, and I've also replaced for the new quick pour tap. So just show you quickly how it poured really quick. I was very happy with that. Oh, so much quicker. I'm going to get straight on and I'm going to put some water in this brew. I filled the pinter about halfway up with water, so I'm not going all the way. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix and make my spray malt that I'm going to add in. I haven't yet added the Saison's Greetings. I'm going to do my spray malt first. I'm going to put in 150 grams of spray malt. That's what I'm looking to add. £155 grams, close enough, that'll do. And now I'm going to add hot water to this. So I've boiled the kettle. I'm going to add hot water and I'm going to need to get stirring to stop this getting all clumpy. So you don't want clumps in here. Let's just check all the edges, I've not got any clumps. This is now all dissolved in, so all my spray malt is in here, and I'm now going to pour this into the pinter. Now I'm using spray malt in place of sugar. It's like for like, so 1 gram of sugar, you can put 1 gram of spray malt. So I've gone for, it's come out roughly 150 based on some of the stuff I've spilt around here. So 155 was the measure. I've added that in. I'm now going to add cold water to bring this back up to the level where you would normally add in your pinter fresh press. So where you normally add the pinter fresh press, I'm going to fill it up to cold water. Now up to the normal measure where you'd fill the water, except my solution at the moment is 150 grams spray malt and water. I'm now going to add the Saison's Greeting fresh press. Take the cap off, take off the foil cap, which on mine is actually double foiled. There's no leaking on this one with a double foil cap. Alright, oh that smells nice. Alright, so I've got a lovely malty smell coming out. I've got a nice hoppy smell coming out of this one. And in goes the fresh press. Alright, as always, I don't try and shake it all out. I've still got more in there. I just add some more of that hot water that I was using. Pour it in. Put the cap back on. And that hot water will work in there. That's going to go into all the corners. Get that fresh press that we need out, the malt that's going to help our brew and the hop extracts. And now we have a practically empty carton with all the fresh press in there, all the extract. Now before I go measuring, before I put the yeast in, I am actually going to close this up, give it a shake about, give it a stir around, and then I'm going to measure what the starting gravity is so I can work out at the end what my final ABV could be. That's the solution that I've just put in there. Don't worry about the water dropping, that's all me being messy. Right, so that should be mixed up nicely. Take off the lid. Make sure I don't spill that everywhere. Nice and frothy. Got some sanitizer, good old turkey baster, and my measuring. Oh, it smells so malty right now. Around 46. So, got a measure of 1046 roughly, which means, I'll have to have a quick check actually. 1046, if it drops to 1010, it'll be 4.7%, which is 0.7% higher than the original amount of 4% they were advertising. I'm now going to add the yeast. Quite a few stray bits there. Right, yeast time. Sprinkle over the top. Sadly, due to the shape of the pinter, it's difficult to disperse them evenly. Making sure all that yeast is in there. Brush a few of these off actually. Now it's time to get our cap back on. Close our lid. Mix that yeast in. Now we'll put the brewing duck on. Line it up, put it across. Last step. Turn it upside down. All runs into that brewing dock. And so I'm going to leave this to brew for 5 days and then condition for 7.